A small room isn't a limitation. It is a design opportunity. Welcome to QSTube. Today, we are reinventing your home. You don't need a massive floor plan to live elegantly. You need a strategy. We are moving beyond simple decluttering. We are talking about quiet luxury. This is how you make 400 square feet feel like a penthouse. It starts with a mindset shift. Stop seeing walls as boundaries. Start seeing them as a frame for your life. First, let's fix the layout. Stop pushing every piece of furniture against the walls. Designers call this wall hugging. It actually makes a room feel smaller. It highlights exactly where the space ends. Instead, give your furniture room to breathe. Pull the sofa out a few inches. Create a clear path for movement. If you have to shimmy past a table, the room is too crowded. Think about visual weight. Choose furniture with slim, raised legs. When you can see the floor continuing under the sofa, the room feels expansive. It tricks the eye. It creates an illusion of endless space. Now, let's talk about the secret of visual silence. Clutter is loud. Luxury is quiet. In a small home, surfaces are precious. Keep your countertops almost empty. This applies to the kitchen especially. Trade the mismatched spice jars for a sleek, uniform set. Use a single, high-end material to make a statement. A marble pastry board or a brass tray adds instant weight. For the dining area, think round. A round pedestal table is a miracle worker. It has no sharp corners to block your path. It softens the entire room. Pair it with low back chairs. You want to keep the sight lines clear across the whole apartment. Color is your best friend, but don't play it too safe. A completely beige room feels flat. We want depth. Start with a soft neutral base like oatmeal or bone. Then, add what I call Inky Accents. One matte black lamp. A single charcoal picture frame. These dark points give the room gravity. They make the light colors pop. While you're at it, rethink your art. Most people hang 5 small pictures on a tiny wall. Don't do that. It looks cluttered. Instead, hang one massive, minimalist piece. A single large canvas makes the wall feel twice as wide. It creates a focal point that screams sophistication. Storage must be invisible. We call this stealth wealth for your home. If you can see your vacuum cleaner, the luxury is gone. Use furniture that pulls double duty. Buy an ottoman with a hidden compartment. Choose a bed with deep drawers. Use built-in shelving that matches your wall color exactly. The goal is to make the storage disappear into the architecture. When the utility of life is hidden, your decor can finally shine. This balance between beauty and function is the hallmark of professional design. Your bedroom should be a sensory experience. Keep the bed profile low. This makes the ceilings feel higher. Focus on layers, not stuff. Mix linen sheets with a heavy knit throw. Add 1 or 2 velvet cushions. It's about the touch, not the sight. In the bathroom, the smallest details carry the most weight. Toss the plastic soap bottles. Use glass or stone dispensers instead. Roll your towels like a high-end spa. Add a single organic element, like a eucalyptus branch in the shower. These tiny upgrades change how you feel every single morning. Lighting is the final touch. Never rely on a single overhead light. It's harsh and flat. Use pocket lighting. Add a small lamp on a bookshelf. Put a floor lamp in a corner. Use warm-toned bulbs. This creates shadows and depth. It makes the corners of the room feel intentional rather than cramped. Luxury isn't about the price tag. It's about the care you take in every corner. It's about choosing quality over quantity. When you curate your space, you curate your life. Thank you for watching QSTube. I hope these tips help you transform your home into a sanctuary. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to join our community of design lovers. I want to hear from you in the comments. What is the one area in your home you struggle with most? Let's solve it together. Until next time, stay inspired and keep your space beautiful.